All right, so I just wanted to show you some of the packs that came in this 300 unopened pack box or whatever that they ordered. It had a bunch of different things, some of the lesser known cards, but also some of the, for me it was top score Donruss that were kind of the standard. And I thought it'd be fun today to just open a pack. So got a pack of, I think these are 1990 Donruss, and I remember these were the ones that had the puzzle pieces in them, and these were like the most common cards of that era. But it's still fun to break into them now, and that's why I thought this is a cool thing, because it's a gift that you can give someone my age to relive the glory days of opening the cards. There's not a lot of value there, but it's so fun to open them. So there's my puzzle piece. Here we've got just the standard cards. Donruss didn't have a lot of specialty cards, but there we go with the Barry Larkin. Dave Winfield, got some great players here just to start it off. And you see pretty sharp corners. They arrived in good condition. And there we go with a rated rookie, Julio, and an MVP card there with Eric Davis. So fun just to open these up and to look through 300 cards, and so you're going to get a bunch of different packs, a few duplicates, but it's just been fun opening them up and reliving that time. I still love to organize and sort through my cards, so it's been a lot of fun.